Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Flights Assistance. Get the latest KLM Airlines, Air India, and AirAsia baggage policy updates in this video. Learn carry-on and checked baggage limits, cabin bag rules, excess baggage fees, and smart packing tips to avoid extra charges. Whether you're traveling for business or vacation, this guide will help you prepare with confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more airline baggage guides, travel tips, and aviation updates.
KLM Airlines Baggage Policy 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're flying KLM Royal Dutch Airlines and wondering what you can pack, and what it'll cost you in the right place. Today I'm breaking down KLM's baggage policy in 7 simple points. Let's dive in. Point 1. It all depends on your fare type. KLM has multiple fare types across economy, premium comfort, and business class, and each one comes with a different baggage deal. So the very first thing you need to check is which ticket you've booked. Your allowance will vary significantly. The Travel Tinker. Point 2. Economy Basic, the strictest option. Economy Basic is the strictest fare. You only get a small underseat bag, no overhead bin access, no checked bag included. If you're booking this fare to save money, make sure you travel really light. Point 3. Standard carry-on rules. Passengers in economy class are allowed one piece of hand luggage not exceeding 55 by 35 by 25 centimeters, and one personal item not exceeding 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters, with a combined weight of 12 kilograms. And here's the part most people miss, KLM counts the weight of your main carry-on plus your personal item together, so don't try to cheat the system. Point 4. Checked baggage limits. KLM's checked baggage allowance depends on the class of travel, with business class passengers permitted more weight and more pieces of luggage. KLM has a total weight limit rather than a per bag weight limit, so keep that in mind when packing multiple bags. The maximum dimensions for checked baggage are restricted to 158 centimeters, length plus width plus height, and no checked bag should be heavier than 32 kilograms or bigger than 300 centimeters total. Point 5. Excess and overweight baggage fees. Going over your limit can get expensive fast. Fees and allowances vary depending on your route and ticket type, and overweight or excess baggage fees can add up quickly. The best way to avoid surprise charges is to pre-purchase extra baggage online. If your baggage exceeds the allowed weight, you will be charged excess baggage fees that differ depending on your route and number of bags. Point 6. Special and sports baggage. Traveling with equipment? Most sports equipment can be transported as part of your checked baggage allowance, though there is an extra cost for items like bikes and other gear that don't comply with standard checked baggage restrictions. You can bring golf equipment, fishing gear, skis, and snowboards as a substitute for a standard checked bag without a reservation. For musical instruments, those weighing up to 23 kilograms, 32 kilograms for business class, can travel as checked baggage if packed in a hard case. Point 7. Loyalty status and infant baggage. As of 2026, Flying Blue status baggage perks now apply even to economy basic and light fares, a big change from before. And if you're traveling with a baby, great news, infants on your lap get a free 10 kilograms checked bag, plus a handbag for baby essentials, and pushchairs and car seats travel free too. And that's KLM's baggage policy in 7 clear points. Always double check your specific fare on KLM's website before you fly, as policies can update.
Air India Baggage Allowance 2026. Imagine reaching the airport, checking in, and suddenly being told you have to pay thousands of rupees just because your bag is a few kilos overweight. Or even worse, you're forced to leave some of your belongings behind. The good news? That can be completely avoided. In today's video, I'm revealing 10 important Air India baggage rules for 2026 that every traveler should know before flying. I'll also share money-saving packing tips, a bonus travel hack, and a quiz at the end to test your knowledge. So don't skip this video. Point number 8 surprises many passengers every year. Point 1. Know your cabin baggage limit. Let's begin with the bag you'll carry on board. Most Air India passengers are allowed one cabin bag weighing up to 7 kilograms, along with one small personal item like a handbag, laptop bag, or small backpack. Here's a quick tip. Don't wait until airport security to discover your bag is overweight. Weigh it at home using a luggage scale. A 2-minute check could save you money and unnecessary stress. Question for you. Have you ever had to remove items from your bag at the airport? Tell us in the comments. Point 2. Checked baggage isn't the same for everyone. Many travelers think everyone gets the same baggage allowance, but that's not true. Your checked baggage depends on your destination, your ticket type, your travel class. Some economy tickets include less baggage than flex fares, while business class usually includes a much higher allowance. Always check your ticket before packing. 1 minute of checking can prevent expensive surprises. Point 3. Domestic flights have different rules flying within India. Domestic baggage rules may be different from international flights. If you're planning shopping during your trip, remember to leave some extra space in your suitcase. Many travelers forget this and end up paying excess baggage charges on the way home. Point 4. International flights can be confusing. Here's something many first-time travelers don't know. Some Air India international routes follow the weight system, while others use the piece system. That means one passenger may be allowed one heavy suitcase, while another may be allowed 2 separate bags. Understanding this before packing can save you both time and money. Point 5. The biggest mistake that costs money. This is where many passengers lose money. If your baggage exceeds the allowed weight or number of bags, you'll have to pay excess baggage charges, and airport prices are usually much higher. Pro tip. Buy extra baggage online before your flight whenever possible. It's usually much cheaper than paying at the airport. Point 6. Special items need special planning. Traveling with sports equipment, musical instruments, or oversized luggage. Don't assume they'll be accepted like normal baggage. Some items require advance notice or additional fees. Always check the airline's policy before heading to the airport to avoid delays. Point 7. Don't pack these items the wrong way. Here's a mistake that can delay your journey. Items like power banks and spare lithium batteries should stay in your cabin baggage, not your checked suitcase. Dangerous goods like fireworks, fuel, and flammable liquids are strictly prohibited. Packing correctly helps you get through security much faster. Point 8. Bonus travel hack most passengers don't know. Here's a simple trick experienced travelers use. Wear your heavier jacket or shoes instead of packing them. It slightly reduces your baggage weight without leaving anything behind. Also, keep medicines, passports, chargers, valuables, and important documents in your cabin bag. If checked baggage gets delayed, you'll still have your essentials. Point 9. Save money with these packing tips before leaving home. Weigh your luggage. Use lightweight suitcases. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. Buy extra baggage online if needed. Double-check your baggage allowance. These 5 habits can save you both money and unnecessary stress. Point 10. Always check before you fly. Airline baggage policies can change depending on your route, aircraft, fare type, or destination. Before every trip, spend 1 minute checking your booking details and the latest baggage information. That simple habit can prevent unexpected airport surprises. Planning a trip with AirAsia in 2026? Baggage rules can make or break your journey and your wallet. Today, I'm breaking down the latest AirAsia baggage policy in 10 simple points. Whether it's cabin or checked luggage, I've got you covered. Point 1. Cabin baggage. The 7 kilograms rule. AirAsia allows 2 pieces of cabin baggage. 1 main cabin bag plus 1 small personal item, like a handbag or laptop bag. Total combined weight must not exceed 7 kilograms. This is strictly enforced at most airports. Weigh your bags before leaving home. Point 2. Size limits for cabin bags. Main cabin bag. Maximum 56 cm by 36 cm by 23 cm. Must fit in overhead bin. Small personal item. 40 cm by 30 cm by 10 cm. Must fit under the seat. Oversized bags may be gate checked with fees. Point 3. Checked baggage is not free. Basic fares usually include 0 kg checked baggage. You must purchase allowance separately during booking. Pre-purchase is much cheaper than airport rates. Point 4. Checked baggage weight options. You can buy allowances from 15 kg up to 60 kg per passenger per flight. Popular tiers: 20 kg, 25 kg, 30 kg, 40 kg. 1 allowance per passenger. It covers multiple bags as long as total weight stays within the limit. Point 5. Per bag weight and size limits. Each individual checked bag must not exceed 32 kg for safety reasons. Maximum dimensions: 119 cm by 81 cm by 119 cm. You can bring as many bags as you want if the total weight is within your purchased allowance. Point 6. Pre-purchase versus airport fees. Always buy baggage online or via the AirAsia Move app during booking. It's significantly cheaper. Airport excess baggage fees are much higher. You can add or upgrade up to 2-3 hours before departure in most cases. Point 7. Upgraded cabin options. Some fares or add-ons, like extra carry-on, allow up to 14 kg total cabin weight, max 10 kg per bag. Check your booking for any premium options. Point 8. Special items and exceptions. Sports equipment, musical instruments, or fragile items may have extra rules and fees. For example, surfboards often need special handling. Liquids, sharp objects, and prohibited items follow standard security rules. Always declare special baggage. Point 9. Regional variations. Policies are mostly consistent, but check for specific routes, e.g., Philippines, Indonesia. Domestic. Some promotions or fare types, value pack, premium flatbed, may include free checked baggage, 20 kg or 40 kg. Always verify on your ticket. Point 10. Pro tips to save money and stress. 1. Weigh everything at home. 2. Use compression cubes and wear layers. 3. Book baggage early. 4. Download the AirAsia app for easy management. 5. Arrive early. Strict enforcement can delay boarding. 6. Overweight cabin bags often get checked with extra charges. That's your complete 2026 AirAsia baggage guide in 10 points. Follow these rules and you'll fly stress-free. Drop your questions or route in the comments, I'll help. Safe travels. Hit like if this saved you money, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.